welcome to the class. So myself Amit Kumar Shah, and I will be teaching you geography for today onwards, okay, for the further chapters. So the current chapter we have chapter number 4, urbanization. What is urbanization? Urbanization means shift of population, shift of human population from rural to urban, okay. So urbanization is shift of human population from rural to urban. Now what is rural? Rural means the population which consists of village peoples or slum peoples, okay, slum areas people, and urban means the population which consists of cities and towns. Is that clear? So urbanization refers to shift of population of rural to urban. So when village peoples are moving towards a town, okay, and a village area is converting into a town, that can also be referred to as urbanization. Is that clear? Urbanization. Now it is predicted that up to 2050, okay, till 2050, it is predicted that all the developing countries will have the population of 64% of urban population, okay. So the way the urbanization is growing on, okay, the way the urbanization is growing on, it is believed that it is predicted that thus 64% of the total urban population will be there for the developing country, and the already developed country will have 86% of urban population, okay. So we will understand this with the census of India. Is that clear? Now according to the census of India after independence, okay, the total rural population is about 68.84% and urban population is about 31%. So it has increased, okay, year after year, as in 1901 it was 11.4%. The urbanization, the rate of urbanization increased up to 11.4%. In 2001 it became 28.53%, and in 2011 it became 30%. So day by day the country is growing slowly towards the urbanization. It is mostly because of the industrialization and development of the private sectors. Is that clear? Now worldwide, if you are seeing it worldwide, so the highest population of the urban peoples or the highest urbanized country is Hong Kong, followed by Singapore and Bermuda, okay. They have the highest urban population, and if you are talking about the least urban population, that means the number of people of village and slums are more than the cities and town. So when we are talking about the least, they are Ethiopia has the least urban population, followed by Samoa and Cambodia. Is that clear? So in the next class we'll be dealing with the factors, okay, that are affecting the urbanization, okay. So hope you understood well. We'll meet you in next class. Thank you very much, student.